Thank you for joining us today. We're really excited because we've got a great market leader who's about to give you some incredible insider information that you can only get here. We all know that looking for the best professional for your needs can be intimidating, but here's a little secret. All you really need to know are the right questions to ask. And you're in luck because today's expert is here right now to help.
How do I know what is the right loan program for me? Now, I get that question a lot, and I get it because there are a lot of different loan programs out there, and it can be a confusing process. The good news is, though, it doesn't have to be. You just need to know what are the right questions to ask. But first, make sure that you're working with a seasoned loan originator, someone that has the experience, that's been there before, and can answer some of these tough questions and help you navigate through this process. That's key. So here's a few tips for you. Before you start the process, I want you to ask yourself these 3 questions. Number 1, how long do you plan on staying in this home? Is this something that's going to be short-term, talking like 5 years or so? If that's the case, you need to be a little bit less concerned about the interest rate you're getting and more concerned about the fees you're paying. Now, I'm not saying you don't want to go out and get the best rate possible. Of course you do. You just don't want to pay a bunch of money in fees to prepay interest of which you're never going to receive the reward. Now, the flip to that, obviously if you're going to keep this home as a rental or you're going to live in it for a long time, then yeah, it makes a little bit more sense to pay a little bit more in fees to buy that rate down to make sure that you could be cash flow positive later on down the road in a rental property. Now, that's a great situation. So question number 2, do you have little or no money to put down? If that's you, that's okay. Great news is there's a lot of different loan programs out there, like grant programs or low money down programs that can help you. So if your savings are a little bit low, don't let that be something that stops you from going out and finding a home. So question number 3, what is your credit score? If you don't know, we need to find out. Now's the time to do that because some circumstances it does take a little bit of time to repair that credit. Now, there is a program out there that we can rescore your credit and have a new score within like 5 days, which is great. But credit score is a huge component to a mortgage loan. It's what's tied to the interest rate you qualify for, the mortgage insurance premiums that you're going to pay, as well as what loan products are actually available. So credit is key. Make sure you stay on top of that. So here's a little tip for those of you who are existing homeowners. If you want to keep your home and turn it into a rental property, great news is the program has now changed. So now you can do that. You can keep that home. You can actually use your future rents to help offset the mortgage expense. So it's a great situation for everybody. So in closing, my expertise here is really listening and understanding my clients and what are their needs, and then helping identify for them what is the right loan program for them. With over 15 years of mortgage lending experience, I can easily help them navigate through this process. So for those of you who want to learn more, you can go to my website, jordanhodges.axiahomeloans.com, or feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text anytime at 801-800-0085. I'd love to be able to help you out. Thanks so much.
Wow, that's pretty incredible, isn't it? Now you have some great tips to find just the right professional that will help you along. Are you ready to learn more? You can reach today's expert by calling the number on your screen. See you next time!